Have you ever seen those viral ads claiming there's finally a pair of glasses that can replace every prescription on Earth? Meet the so-called miracle, Clarity Blue glasses, boldly advertised as the world's first self-adjusting eyewear that automatically shifts from was 100 to 700 diopters and promises you'll never need new glasses again. Sounds incredible, right? But after 3 days of deep digging, testing, and verification, what I found behind this futuristic promise will leave you speechless. The company claims their glasses weigh only 1.5 grams, use smart lens material that adapts to any vision, and can instantly fix nearsightedness, farsightedness, and astigmatism, all without a prescription. The truth? Current adaptive lens technology can only manage around 3 diopters of change, not 600. That's a scientific impossibility with today's materials and mechanics. Instead of smart glass or adjustable optics, what's actually being sold are basic plastic magnifiers with no electronics, no sensors, and no adaptive mechanism, costing barely $2 to manufacture, yet sold online for $40 or more under the illusion of innovation. Their website was registered just 11 months ago, has a trust score of 24,100, and is already flagged by multiple fraud detection databases. While the real University of Utah researchers did develop a prototype for fluid-filled adjustable lenses, it's nowhere near what Clarity Blue claims, and certainly not available commercially. Real users report headaches, distorted vision, and no actual focus change at all. So are Clarity Blue glasses a game-changing invention or just another clever marketing trap? Let's just say the science doesn't lie, and neither do hundreds of frustrated buyers who learned the hard way that clarity was the one thing these glasses failed to deliver.